Hello everyone, today's tutorial is on Warli painting. This is the second tutorial. Warli figures painted in white on red walls. These paintings do not depict mythological characters of images of deities like other paintings, but depict social life, images of human beings and animals, along with scenes from daily lives, are created in rhythmic patterns. This usually depicts scenes of human figures engaged in activities like hunting, dancing, sowing, and harvesting. Today I am showing basic human figures like man, woman, child. I have shown two ways to draw Warli figure. This is the first method. This is the male figure. Only difference is the male and female figure is make a bun on top of the head of the female figure. For the old man, make a curved line on the upper body. If you like my videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.